Welcome to the journey of exploring one of the most fascinating symbols in the world of livestock, the majestic Longhorn cattle. Stretching across the sweeping plains of America and the untamed wilderness of Africa, these incredible creatures are far more than just a source of sustenance. They are living testaments to cultural heritage and human history. Join us as we uncover the inspiring tale of their unmatched resilience, breathtaking beauty, and the deep historical legacy that makes Longhorn cattle truly unforgettable. Here we are in the heart of western Uganda, where the vast herds of majestic Ankole Longhorn cattle roam freely and are an inspiring sight to behold. These magnificent creatures are inseparably linked to the Ankole people, an ethnic group rooted in Uganda and Rwanda. For centuries, these cattle have stood as proud symbols of cultural identity, resilience, and economic vitality, weaving their presence into the very fabric of life in this vibrant and storied land. Each morning, the majestic Ankole cattle emerge from their enclosures, moving with an elegant grace as they wander freely across the endless, emerald green pastures. Under the golden rays of the rising sun, they graze peacefully, their presence a timeless testament to the harmony of nature and tradition. Blessed with the region's rich and abundant natural food sources, these resilient creatures need not travel far, thriving in an environment that perfectly complements their enduring beauty and strength. Today, nearly 7.3 million Ankole cattle flourish across the African continent, with their largest populations gracing the landscapes of East Africa, especially in Uganda, Rwanda, and Kenya. These magnificent creatures are far more than mere livestock. They embody the soul of the communities they sustain. Revered for their deep cultural and economic significance, Ankole cattle are living symbols of heritage, resilience, and the enduring traditions that have shaped the lives of generations. Their presence weaves a story of unity, pride, and the unbreakable bond between people and nature. What sets this cattle breed apart is not just their strikingly massive horns and majestic presence, but their incredible ability to thrive in even the harshest climates. These resilient creatures embody strength and adaptability, standing tall against nature's challenges. Adult males boast an impressive weight of around 1,100 pounds, while the more graceful females average 800 pounds, about 30% lighter than the robust Angus cattle of the United States. Yet, their lighter frame only adds to their charm, reflecting their perfect harmony with the land they call home. Moreover, farmers here have a truly unique way of protecting their cattle. Every 3 days, they burn straw or other materials to create smoke, effectively controlling insects and parasites. This ancient method may be simple, but it remains incredibly effective to this day. Farewell to the enchanting lands of Africa, and welcome to the iconic Wild West of the United States, where the legendary Texas Longhorn cattle roam. These magnificent creatures carry with them the rich tapestry of American history and culture, standing as enduring symbols of the frontier spirit. By the end of 2023, according to the U.S. Department of Agriculture, approximately 273,000 Texas Longhorns were being raised across the nation. Unsurprisingly, the heart of their legacy beats strongest in Texas, where their presence is as vast and timeless as the state itself. Texas Longhorn cattle are far more than just livestock raised for meat or crossbreeding. They are living emblems of America's pioneering spirit. These majestic creatures embody the grit and determination of the frontier era, making them treasured icons of history. Across vast ranches, they are lovingly nurtured, not only for their utility, but to safeguard and celebrate the proud heritage of the American West, a legacy as enduring as the Longhorns themselves, inspiring future generations to honor their significance and beauty. Nestled in Hill County, Texas, lies the largest ranch dedicated to the iconic Texas Longhorn, proudly home to over 420 of these majestic cattle. Each year, between 100 and 130 are carefully sold for meat production, exhibitions, or entertainment, continuing their legacy in meaningful ways. While only about 45,000 Texas Longhorns are slaughtered annually, these extraordinary animals are far more than a commodity. They are a source of deep pride and a living testament to the enduring spirit of the ranches that nurture them, preserving a cherished symbol of the American West. In Africa, Ankole Longhorn cattle are far more than a source of sustenance. They are woven into the very fabric of cultural identity. These majestic creatures symbolize tradition, pride, and the unbreakable bond between communities and their heritage, embodying a way of life that has endured for generations. Meanwhile, Texas Longhorn cattle in the United States are deeply intertwined with tales of the Wild West and the expansion of the frontier. Each land tells its own story, yet they share a common value of timeless endurance that stands as a testament to their legacy. From different corners of the world, Longhorn cattle have shown that they are not just livestock, but powerful symbols of history, culture, and resilience. Which breed impresses you the most, Ankole Longhorn or Texas Longhorn? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for joining us on this journey. See you again in our next adventure.